Hi, my name is Ollie. I'm from the Watford store. Today I'm going to show you around some winter picks, an affordable price range. Let's get into it. So I'm going to show you my picks now. Just as we're walking past, I've got some Halvarssons locks here, just for those winter months as it's getting darker now in the evenings. Might come in handy. So, first of all, this is our TCX Infinity Free boot. It's got a ratchet system, so easy to do up when you're getting ready in the mornings. Reinforced sole, reinforced toe, and waterproof, and they're only £249. This is our heated gear here. We've got loads of different brands, but specifically the Merlin Thermovolt. Really good, nice and warm. We've got Merlin heated gloves, 2 pairs of them. They also make trousers, heated socks as well. Yeah, Merlin's a great pick for winter, keep you nice and warm. We've also got Zero Fit range. These are really good. 2 different variants. They'll keep you nice and warm in winter. They act as a base layer, and they use a heat rub technology. So as you're wearing it, as you're moving, it'll rub against your skin and yeah, cause friction and keep you nice and warm in winter. We've also then got our Halvarssons range. So this is the Halvarssons Van Allen jacket. Really good jacket, waterproof. It will keep you dry. Windproof. They use Outlast in this as well, so there's a thermal temperature regulation, so you don't get too hot and too cold. Also, one great thing, really big air vents on this one, so you can hook it in on the side and have your vent open, or do it that way and just have your open vent there. Also really good for adjustments, waist adjustment, arm adjustments. Also armour, level 2, shoulders and elbows, and there's a pocket for a back protector and a chest protector also. But yeah, and it comes with the matching trousers. They also zip onto the jacket to make a nice full suit. Same sort of thing, it's got knee and hip armour, level 2, and nice big air vents as well, just when the weather's better. Then coming on to our helmet, lastly, to match our suit, we've got the Schuberth E2. Really nice quality helmet, super comfortable. Flip front, and it comes with an internal visor also and a peak. But yeah, this would be my pick for today. Super nice helmet, really comfortable, and it also fits a center intercom into there as well. Now I'm just going to take you over to the mannequin and show you a bit more about the stuff I've chosen. So we've just dressed up the mannequin. I'm going to give you more of an in-depth look into the products I've chosen today. So this is the Schuberth E2 helmet, super comfortable, fiberglass shell and carbon reinforced. It's flip front, and then also comes with an internal sun visor and the peak on top, which is adjustable in height as well. Super comfortable, and it fits the Sena SC2 intercom, but you can also plug on into any intercom that you wish. Moving on to the jacket, made by Halvarssons. This is called the Vin Valum. I love this jacket, so it's super comfortable, really high quality. It's got loads of mesh points for air to run through when the weather gets warmer, at the front and at the back of the jacket. Reflective patterning, so the light will pick up on that. Waterproof and windproof. This has got Outlast, which is a temperature regulation. It is AA abrasion resistant, with elbow and shoulder armour level 2. It also has a space in the back for a back protector and a chest protector. Storm collar is brilliant as well, keep the chill off, and it is removable. Loads of pockets, really sleek design, and also adjustments in the waist, arms, zips in the cuff there, so you can slide your gloves in nice and easy. Yeah, overall really good jacket, airbag ready, super comfortable. Everything that's in the jacket, the trousers also contain. Really nice design again. Yeah, they're brilliant. Now moving on to the boots. So yeah, these are the boots I've chosen. As I said before, TCX is the brand. They've got a really nice ratchet system to do them up. Waterproof, mid-length boot, and reinforced heel and toe. They also make a Gore-Tex version as well, which is really good. So yeah, that kind of sums it up. I'll just quickly, one thing I haven't really spoken about is gloves. I would recommend personally the heated gloves. Merlin, again, makes some really nice heated gloves. And if the Halvarssons jacket and stuff is still not warm enough, we've got the Merlin heated jacket and trousers also, as I mentioned before. Or go for the Zero Fit stuff. They'll be more than enough to keep you warm through winter. So thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, head down to the Watford store. We'd be happy to help you out. We've got loads of other products in store to have a look at as well, and obviously the stuff I've just showed you. Also, we have a comment section that you can post any questions on there, and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you very much.